Around 60 miles off the coast of Belize lies a geographical wonder that's both amazing and terrifying: the Great Blue Hole. This gargantuan marine sinkhole began its life as a cave, but thousands of years ago, as ocean levels rose, it became flooded, creating the mesmerizing phenomenon we see today. The legendary explorer Jacques Cousteau made the Great Blue Hole famous, turning it into a popular spot for divers from around the world. Perhaps there's something in the human instinct to explore a giant hole when we find one, but the Great Blue Hole can punish the inquisitive. Deep within the Great Blue Hole, divers have discovered human remains, evidence of those who perished in its depths. In December 2018, an expedition with submarines ventured into the depths. Initially, they found waters teeming with life, but as they descended, the bustling undersea environment vanished. Around 295 feet deep, they encountered a layer of hydrogen sulfide. Beyond this point, the water became much darker and devoid of life. Below this layer lay the dead husks of marine life and the remains of 2 divers. The stark contrast between the life above and the graveyard below the hydrogen sulfide layer is unsettling. Above, vibrant aquatic life. Below, a barren world devoid of light and activity. At the bottom, they found layers of silt. While it may not sound exciting, this silt holds clues to major historical events, including droughts and storms from the time of the Mayan civilization's collapse. The Great Blue Hole remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious underwater wonders, a place where beauty and danger coexist, inviting only the bravest to uncover its secrets. Don't forget to like and follow for more ocean mysteries, strange facts, and shocking science.